Hello guys, welcome back to today's tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be learning how to make this beautiful satin bag. I've actually made the coffee brand before, and this particular one here is for a customer. I've got so many others for this particular bag, and if it's something you would love to learn, please keep on watching. And without further ado, let's jump right into the main video. So these are all the pieces we'll be needing for this tutorial, and the one I ironed my breast part to is the inner of the bag. So I'm using 7 inches for the height and 10 inches for the width, and I have 2 pieces of it. Okay, as you can see here, I have 2 pieces of it. And then for the outer one, I'm using 22 inches for the width and 12 inches for the height. Okay, so this other one here, this is the hand of the bag, and I have 2 pieces of this. Okay, this is the hand of the bag, and the width is 4 inches and the length is 32 inches. Then I have these other pieces here, and I have 4 of it. This is for the special design on the hand. As you can see here, these four pieces here is for the special design on the hand, and the width is 4 and the length is 12. And this other one here is what we are going to use to create that ruffle on the hand. The width is 1.5 and the length is 12 inches. So what I'm going to do next is to go ahead and sew all of these pieces. So I'm going to join both the size of this, and for this as well, I'm going to join both the size of this. I'll go and sew them, and then for this outer one, I'm going to gather it. I will gather it all the way to fit into the width of this small one. Okay, I'll gather it to fit into the width of this inner one. So I'll go ahead and do it and show you guys. So I've already gone ahead to do that. I sew the both sides. I do the same thing to this one, and I gather the bottom part to the width of the inner, as you can see here. And I've also sew all of these, and I've ironed them out as well. Make sure when sewing the small pieces to leave a space so that you can turn it to the right side before you iron. So what you're going to do next now is to create the hand. So I'm going to insert this one here into the long hand to create that rough hand. Okay, so I'm going to use my pin to do that. So I'll just insert it this way. It seems to me like I'm a little bit fast in this video, so if you are finding it very difficult to understand everything I'm explaining here, I made tutorial on this particular bag before. You can check my other video, all right, to watch it. I'm very sorry that I'm a bit fast in this particular one. So like I said, I made tutorial on this particular bag before. You can check my other video to just watch it to get every detail about this bag. It's a very simple tutorial, actually, something you can just do within some few hours. Okay, so thank you so much for doing that. As you can see, the ruffle effect is already coming out on the hand. After inserting the hand, make sure to arrange it properly so that it will sit well on the bag. Use your hand to arrange it very well so that it will lap well. So what I'm going to do next is to fix it into the bag. I'll measure 1.5 inward before fixing it. Make sure you do the same thing. Measure 1.5 inward before you fix the hand. And when fixing the hand, make sure the part you join is facing inside. Okay, see the way I'm placing it. The place you join is facing the shining part. And then I'll do the same thing to this other end. I'll measure 1.5 inward. And make sure the place you join is facing the shining part, is facing the bag, not facing you. Okay. So I'll repeat the same thing on this other side. Measure 1.5 inward. have it this way. The next thing I'm going to do right here is to sew this to the inner. You know, this one is bigger than the inner, so we are going to pleat it and sew it all around. So you go ahead, pleat it all around the inner part. You just pleat it all around. I'll go and do that and show you guys. So I've already gone ahead to do that. I've sewn it all around, as you can see here. So I was just trying to remove the pin I used to hold on the hand. As you can see, so I'll just bring this out this way. I'll just bring this out, and when you turn it out, this is how it's going to look like. You can see our bag is coming out already. It's giving the shape already. We're almost done with the bag. You can see it's looking very neat and very beautiful. This is it. So what we're going to do next, we are going to fold this inside neatly. Make sure to fold it inside neatly, and then you sew on it. Just fold it inside neatly like this and sew. If it's too strong, if your machine cannot do this, you can actually use your needle and your thread to just sew it, okay? So I've already gone ahead to do that. This is it. It's looking so neat and beautiful. I'm just going to turn this inside. When you turn it inside, this is how it's going to look like. Our bag is almost ready. In short, our bag is ready. This is it, guys. You see how beautiful and neat the bag is looking. Very neat, beautiful, portable. This is actually beautiful. Look at it. Make sure to use your hand to arrange the bag very well. So what I'm going to do next is to tie all these pieces on the hand. You can tie it once, or you can decide to tie it 2 times. It all depends on what you want. So this is it. So this is the end result of our bag, guys. This is so beautiful, right? So you can, what is left now is for you to add your button. I actually added button to mine so that you can close it anytime you want. Okay, so you just add buttons to it so that you can close it anytime you want. So guys, this is the end result of our tutorial. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share my videos. Bye.